Hello students, welcome to my channel Maths Plus IIT JEE by Santosh sir. So last class we have discussed some special integrals. So we had discussed the formulas. So I have written 1 upon a square minus x square dx, that is 1 by 2a into log a plus x upon a minus x, 1 upon a square plus x square, 1 upon a into tan inverse x by a plus c. So integral of 1 upon x square minus a square, 1 upon 2a into log x minus a upon x plus c, and integral 1 upon under root of a square minus x square, that is sin inverse x by a upon c. Integral 1 upon under root x square minus a square, that is log mod x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. 1 upon under root of a square plus x square is equal to log mod x plus under root of a square plus x square plus c. So we have studied these 6 formulas, and special integrals means if any integrand is in the form of 1 upon a quadratic, 1 by under root 1 by ax square plus bx plus c, or 1 upon under root of ax square plus bx plus c. So if integrand is in the form of these two functions, so already we have done one problem based on this format in last lecture. So now we are going to discuss some more problems. So see here first problem, integral, they have given x square minus 6x plus 13. So what we are going to do is, this quadratic expression we are converting into completing square method. Like in 10th standard we have finding, means you found the roots of the quadratic expression using method of completing square. So here also we are using the same method. So what I am going to do is, I am going to make this as a perfect square. So for that what I am going to do is x square minus, so here you need to remember the formula a square plus 2ab minus b plus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here minus sign is given, so a square minus 2ab, that is 2 into, in place of a we have x into, see 2x we have. So to get 6x we need to multiply by 3. So here we will get the value of b. So plus what we have to, means what should be there here, b square. So see x square minus 2x into 3 plus 3 square. So this entire term become a completing square. See here 13 is the constant term, but what about here, it is 9. So what about the rest of the value, that is 4 dx. Now here dx upon this I am going to write as x minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. Now if any integrand is in the form of this after completing square, so we need to check these 3 formulas: 1 upon a square minus x square, or 1 upon a square plus x square, or 1 upon x square minus a square. Any one of the formula we will use here. So it is in the form of a square plus x square, like second formula. So the formula is 1 upon a, that is 1 upon 2 into log mod, tan inverse x by a, that is in place of x we have another linear function x minus 3 upon 2, whole divided by, we have to divide with the derivative of x minus 3, that is 1, so no need of doing any division, plus c. So very simple this is. Again here one more question we are going to discuss. So here same procedure, 1 upon under root of, here directly they have given x square plus 2 into x into, so here 2x, here also 2x, so nothing is will left, so into 1 I am taking. So here you will get the b value as 1, so plus 1. From this constant I have taken plus 1, one more plus 1 will be left over here. Now integral dx upon under root of, this entire term become x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square. Okay. Now see, whenever root comes in the denominator, means integrand is in this form, so we are going to apply any one of these 3 formulas according to the question. So here x square plus a square, see 1 upon under root of x square plus a square means you are going to use this formula. So the formula is log mod x. In place of x we have x plus 1. So x plus 1 plus under root of a square plus x square means this entire thing, means this entire thing, means this entire thing. So I am directly writing x square plus 2x plus 2 plus c. So this is equal to this, this is equal to this. So instead of writing this term directly I am expanding this, I am writing in simplified form. So this is the solution for this problem. Now one more question we are going to see. Right. Here 3x square upon x power 6 plus 1. See, in the denominator or numerator, if they have given x power 6, so we need to think a substitution. Higher powers of x are given means we need to think a substitution. See, dx, 3x square into dx. So this term, if you observe means perfectly. So here 3x square is the derivative of which function? That is x cube. So indirectly they have given the int as taking x cube is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. So x cube differentiation is 3x square dx is equal to dt. Now that integration becomes integral. This entire term become dt upon 1 plus x power 6 can be written as x cube whole square, that becomes t square. 1 upon 1 plus t square is simply tan inverse t plus c. Tan inverse t plus c. Now replace the value of t. Tan inverse x cube plus c. So this is the solution. Now these are very basic problems. Now we are going to discuss little bit higher problems. Let us see these questions. Integral 1 upon 1 minus 6x minus 9x square dx. Another question. Integral 1 upon under root of x square minus x plus 5. Integral 1 upon under root of 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Now let us see these three questions. Now here if you want to take minus common you can take, otherwise directly if you want to simplify there also no problem. So what I am going to do is, for simplicity I am taking minus common. So 1 upon 9x square I am writing it as 3x square, means 3x whole square, minus it become plus 2 into 3x, that becomes 6x into 1. See, now a square plus 2ab, so plus 1 square should be there. If I add 1, we need to subtract 1 also. Already 1 is there, we have taken minus 1 common, so 1 more minus you will get. So this entire function becomes dx upon, this terms become 3x plus 1 whole square minus 2. Now I am multiplying this minus, so what will I get? Dx upon 2 I am writing as root 2 whole square minus 3x plus 1 whole square. Now see, it is in the form of a square minus x square. See, a square minus x square means this formula. So we have used this formula and this formula also we have used. See, now so for this question we need to use this formula. So 1 upon under root of a square minus x square. So this becomes, see, a square minus 1 upon 2a, that is 1 upon 2 root 2 into log modulus a plus x upon a minus x, that is root 2 plus 3x plus 1 upon root 2 minus 3x minus 1 plus c. Here one thing we need to remember, in place of x we have 3x plus 1. So whenever in place of x any linear function is there, So we are treating this entire function as x. So with this function derivative, that is 3x plus 1 derivative is 3. So we should divide the result with that 3. So here 1 upon 3 you will get. So the answer become 1 upon 6 root 2 into log mod root 2 plus 3x plus 1 upon root 2 minus 3x minus 1 plus c. Now let us go for another question. Now this also same procedure. So integral 1 upon c here under root of x square minus, see middle term we need to set so that we will get the third term value. So here 2ab should be there. So there is no 2. So I am multiplying and at the same time I am dividing. So this x I am writing as it is. Now see, a square minus 2ab. So we got the value of b. So plus b square should be there, minus b square should be there. Add and subtract 1 upon 4 and plus 5 as it is. Now simplify this. Integral dx upon this entire thing become x minus 1 upon 2 whole square plus this become 5 minus 1 by 4. So if you take LCM 19 by 4, that is root 19 by 2 whole square. If I take LCM, this become 20 minus 1, that is 19, root 19 upon 2 whole square. Now this is in the form of 1 upon root x square plus a square. See, same formula. So it becomes log mod x, that is x minus 1 by 2 plus under root of this entire thing, that is x square minus x plus 5 plus c. If you want to take LCM also you can take, but I am simplifying, I am keeping it as it is. Now let us see one more question. Here if you want to take root 2 common, that will be very better, means very easy way. So I am going to take 1 by root 2 common. See here first term either you need to multiply with root 2 or you need to take the coefficient common. So the better thing I am taking root 2 common. If you want you can multiply and dividing with root 2 also. Integral 1 upon this, what I am going to do is I am taking 2 common, that becomes x square plus 3x upon 2 minus 1. So 1 upon root 2 into integral 1 upon dx upon under root of, here what I am going to do is x square plus 2ab, that is 2 into x, in place of a we have x. So whatever the terms left, that is 3 by 2. So already we have multiplied 1 2, so it becomes 3 by 4. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am adding 3 by 4 whole square and subtracting 3 by 4 whole square, again minus 1. So it becomes 1 upon root 2 into integral dx upon this entire thing become under root of x plus 3 upon 4 whole square. Now if I simplify this, so this become 9 upon 16 and minus 1. If you simplify, minus 25 upon 16, that can be written as 5 upon 4 whole square. Now see, 1 upon under root of x square minus a square, this formula 1 upon under root of x square minus a square. So 1 upon root 2 into log mod, you will get x, that is x plus 3 by 4 plus under root of this entire function. So from where we got this function, entire function, this entire function. So I am going to write like this, x square plus 3x upon 2 minus 1. So if you want you can simplify, so plus c. So if you take root 2 common, so that is 1 upon root 2 into log mod, here 4x plus 3 plus, if you take LCM, this becomes under root of 2x square plus 3x minus 2 whole upon root 2, here it becomes 4, here root 2 plus c. Furtherly you can take LCM, so 1 upon root 2 into log mod. So if I take LCM become 4, we should multiply with 2 root 2. So here 4x plus 3 plus 2 root 2 into under root of 2x square plus 3x minus 2 plus, here I am taking c dash because this constant log m upon log n, so that can be written as log m minus log n. The denominator term is entirely constant, so that will be added to c. The resultant I am taking another constant c dash. So like this we can do based on special integrals. So not only these formulas, we have 3 more formulas are there. So those also we will do after studying integration by parts. So if any function integral is in the form of 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c or 1 upon under root of ax square plus bx plus c, so we need to apply these 6 formulas. So for this format we have 3 formulas. For this format means under root is given, so another 3 formulas we need to use. So here everywhere the function should be converted into completing square method, completing square. So after converting into these 6 formulas, according to the suitable formula, we need to apply the formula so that you will get easy result. So let us see some more questions. Now, so some more special integration here. For example, in the same format, in the numerator, if there is a linear function, here also in the numerator if there is a linear function, how we should do the integration? So if integrand is of these 2 types, so what we need to do is numerator is equal to, that is px plus q. I am writing px plus q. This method we need to remember. Px plus q is equal to capital A into the quadratic, whatever the quadratic is given, capital small ax square plus bx plus c whole derivative plus b. See, here it is a linear function. So linear function can be equated to a linear function only. So after differentiating a quadratic function, you will get a linear function. So, and one more constant I am adding, after comparing on both the sides with the coefficients of x and coefficient means constant term, you will going to get the values of a and b. After that we are going to take the substitutions. So I will give one example based on this, so that again we will use same 6 formulas, but little bit terms means little bit steps we need to add in the initial. So here one question I am going to take, integral 2x plus 3 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and one more question we will do, integral 2x plus 3 upon under root of x square plus 4x plus 1. Now see here dx here. So this format, this integrand is in the form of this px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c. So linear upon quadratic. Whenever linear upon quadratic function is given, so what we are going to do, 2x plus 3 numerator is equal to capital A into denominator's derivative. So what about the derivative of this denominator? X square derivative is 2x, that is 3x square derivative is 6x plus 4x derivative is 4 plus b. Now compare coefficients on both the sides. So here x coefficient is 2, here if x coefficient is 6a, so a value we will get 1 upon 3. Here constant term is 3, here constant term is 4a plus b. So what about a value? 3. So 3 minus 4 upon 3 is equal to b. So b value you will get 5 upon 3. So this is a value and this is b value. Now numerator I am writing, that is 2x plus 3, I am writing as a value 1 upon 3 into d by dx of, that is derivative of 3x square plus 4x plus 5 plus 5 upon 3. Now integration I is equal to, now this entire function I am going to arrange in this formula. So that is first term 1 upon 3 into d by dx of 3x square plus 4x plus 5 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5 plus dx plus second term 5 upon 3 into integral 1 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5 dx. Now here first term directly 1 upon 3, denominator derivative is in the numerator, so directly log of denominator, that is 3x square plus 4x plus 5, f dash of x upon f of x, integration is log of f of x, plus this 5 upon 3. Now here take 3 common, this become 9, same previous problem like completing square method. So dx upon, we have taken 3 common, this become x square plus 4 upon 3x plus 5 upon 3. So this term as it is plus 5 upon 9 into integral dx upon, let make it into completing square, a square, that is x square, plus 2 into, here from 4 by 3 I have taken 2 common, in place of x, a we have x, so x into, again 2 by 3 left, so see here a square plus 2ab, right. Now plus b square should be there, so b square means 2 by 3 whole square, that is 4 by 9, same minus 4 by 9, add and subtract with 4 by 9 plus already 5 by 3 was there, so 5 by 3. So this term as it is plus 5 upon 9 into integral dx upon, this become x plus 2 by 3 whole square. Now simplify this, if you multiply here to get denominator 9, multiply by 3, so 15 by 9 minus 4 by 9, that is 11 by 9, so plus root 11 upon 3 whole square. Now see, it is in the form of a square plus x square. So 1 upon a square plus x square is 1 upon a tan inverse x by a. So this is 1 upon 3 log mod 3x square plus 4x plus 5 plus 5 upon 9 into 1 upon a, 1 upon 11 by root 11 by 3 into tan inverse x by a, means x plus 2 by 3, I am taking LCM, 3x plus 2 upon root 11 plus c. If you want you can cut here 3. So this is the answer. So 1 upon 3 log modulus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 plus 5 upon 3 root 11 into log, tan inverse 3x plus 2 upon root 11 plus c. So whenever a function is in the form of px plus q upon a quadratic function, so what is the substitution we are going to take? Px plus q, that is numerator is equal to capital A into denominator's derivative plus b. So by comparing coefficients on both the side, you will get the value of a and b. After getting the values of a and b, replace the numerator with this expression. So after replacing the value, directly first term denominator, in the numerator what you will get? Denominator's derivative. So f dash of x upon f of x, integration is log of f of x, log of f of x, plus second term in previous method make it into completing square and convert this any one of 6 formulas. So here we are going to convert this by making completing square. So x plus 3 2 by 3 whole square plus root 11 by 3 whole square, x square plus a square, that is 1 upon a tan inverse x by a. So that we are applied here. So we will get the answer. So now let us see some second question. So if root is given, same procedure. Same procedure, this question here same numerator 2x plus 3. So don't here only the difference is here there is no root in the denominator, but here there is a root in the denominator. Don't worry about the root. The procedure is same as it is and substitution is same as it is. Capital A into same denominator's derivative here x square plus 4x plus 1 derivative plus b, same procedure. So 2x plus 3 is equal to derivative of this function, that is 2x plus 4, capital A into 2x plus 4 plus b. Now compare the coefficients. Here x coefficient is 2, here x coefficient is 2a. So a value you will get 1. Now compare the constant. Here it is 3, here 4a plus b. So a value we got 1, here substitute. So 3 minus 4 is equal to b. So b value you will get minus 1. Now numerator, that is 2x plus 3, can be written as a into, that is 1 into d by dx of denominator, that is x square plus 4x plus 1 minus plus b value as minus 1. Now integration, here this entire function I am writing like this. So d by dx of x square plus 4x plus 1 upon under root of x square plus 4x plus 1 dx minus integral 1 upon under root of 4x square plus 4x plus 1 dx. Now here we are going to apply a formula, integration of f power n of x into f dash of x. This formula is f power n plus 1 of x upon n plus 1 plus c. According to this formula, integration f dash of x by root f of x will be 2 root f of x. F dash of x by root f of x. The integration of this function will be 2 root f of x plus c. According to this formula, this first term become 2 root x square plus 4x plus 1 plus, now second term minus integral dx upon, so what I am going to do is make it into completing square, under root of x square plus 4x I am writing as 2 into x into 2. So see here a square plus 2ab, so b value is 2, so plus b square should be there, means 4 minus 4, again plus 1 is there. So this become 2 into x square plus 4x plus 1 minus integral dx upon under root of, this become x plus 2 whole square minus 3, that I am writing as root 3 whole square. Now see 1 upon under root of x square minus a square. So log mod x plus under root of x square minus a square. So 2 root x square plus 4x plus 1 minus log mod x, means x plus 2 plus under root of this entire thing. From where you got this? So this is x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. This is the answer. See, if means integrand is in the form of linear by quadratic or linear upon root quadratic. Okay, so here we need to take this substitution. Even though in case of the function is given like this, integration of px plus q into quadratic ax square plus bx plus c. So integration of px plus q. If they have given like this, here also we are going to use the same substitution, but the second term you are going to use another formulas. That formulas we are going to study in further classes. So the substitution value will be same, px plus q is equal to a into denominator derivative plus b. So I hope you understand these two methods.